Hello friends, today I am going to show you how you can convert your data into absolute value, and then how can you change the unit system in Excel, and then how you can convert Arabic numbering into Roman number. So let's begin. Select the cell where you want to apply the formula. It is equals to write ABS. Select the function of ABS and then select the cell where the data exists. Like for me here, the column B, row 3, I select this, close the bracket, hit enter. It will convert your data into absolute value. Select the cell, drag it down to the end. It will convert all your values into absolute values. So let's suppose your data is in foot and I want to convert into inch. How you can do this? Select the cell, hit is equals to, write convert. Select the convert function, and what formula says it needs three things: the number or the value, and then the unit from which you want to convert, and the unit in which you want to convert. So the value here for me here is in column C and row 3. I select this number, then I hit the comma, and as I said, my value is in foot, let's suppose. So I will go select the foot, then again comma, and then I want to convert into inches. Select, close the bracket, hit enter. It will convert your value from foot to inch. Select the cell, drag it down to the end. It will convert all your values from foot to inch. Now let's suppose all these numbers are in Arabic numbering. You want to convert into numeric numbering. Select the cell, hit is equals to, write Roman. Select the Roman function and then select the cell where the values are given, and then close the bracket, hit enter, and then select the cell, drag it down to the end. It will convert all your values into Roman, and it cannot convert the fractions values into the Roman. So it's done. I hope you like this video. Bye bye.